You might see us chilling, sipping our sweet tea. Hey friends, hey family, it's Melissa Q. Welcome back for another video. We were already on the floor, y'all, and at first I was gonna change and do like this little setup and everything, and I was like, you know what, we're staying on the floor today. We're staying on the floor. We feel comfortable. And by the way, if you have not subscribed to the channel, girl, go on and do it. I thought it would be like ideal for me to come in this video and talk about Sephora favorites. Y'all know I come with this video. If it's not twice a year, I try to get it at least once a year. I did, I believe, do the spring, but I have a playlist if you guys want to check it out. I am attempting not to repeat myself. If I repeat myself about a recommendation, it's because I'm using it for a different reason or a different purpose. So right now, Rouge can shop the sale. I will leave all the information down below in the description box about the sale, because it is separated into 3 categories or different types of shoppers. We have Rouge, VIB, and we have Beauty Insider. I am VIB, and that's where I'll probably stay for a while. But without further ado, let's hop into the goods. Let's talk about recommendations. Like I said, everything will be down below. This one is specifically going to be about hair, okay? Y'all know one of the main things on my channel is hair. These are Sephora favorites that I do have on my face, so I will leave what I have on my face down in the description box, okay? But we're talking about only hair in this video. I do have some great recommendations. I do have a wish list. I'm thinking about coming with that video because I'm thinking about it. I'm like thinking about it. Okay, before we get into the recommendations, don't forget, number 1, if you have a card that is getting cash back, y'all know what I'm talking about. You get cash back from maybe a credit card or a debit card. That is a great way to like save some money because you're getting that money back. Another way is using Rakuten or Top Cashback. I use both of them. Sometimes they interchange, but I will leave links down below so you guys can check either or out, because I believe you can shop Top Cashback and Rakuten through Sephora. It'll be down in the description box. Okay, you want to get your items, your tools, anything that is high-end. One of the first things I will say that I really like, this is from the brand Dry Bar. It already attaches to my high-end blow dryer. I didn't want a blow dryer, but I did need a diffuser attachment, and this one is a really good one. And if you didn't know, when you buy your when you buy your blow dryer and something like this comes with it, this is a diffuser. It isolates air where you can without disturbing your curls, you can dry your hair. So this is really good. I like how large it is because it allows you to get a large circumference of your hair and really dry a large portion. So you're just doing, if it was smaller it would take you longer, but because it's big, and this one is a really good one. It was better than I think I have the InStyler. I have the blow dryer. I did a review on it and you guys can see it, but this attaches to pretty much any blow dryer. So get your tools first. If you're getting the Dyson, if you're going to get your 15, your 20%, your 10% off. So this is one of the items that I would recommend. I have done a review on this, and I think this was even like last year that I bought this. And this is from the brand Ottawa. This is the Bio Mint Moisturizing Shampoo. Okay, it is so good. It's super moisturizing. Highly recommended. I want to try, now I'm not supposed to be getting into all the wish lists, but y'all know I want to try the Blue Tansy. And Glam Twins was talking about it's good for straight hair. So when I am straightening my hair, I am running out of my Redken All Soft. So I'm probably going to pick that up. But this Ottawa is so good. And their deep conditioner, this is one of my favorite deep conditioners. Now I know it's kind of washed out on the viewfinder. Let me see if I can get it to where you guys can see it. Yes, and on the back it says do it the kinky way. Y'all, this is for kinky hair. So let me see. So y'all, this is for kinky hair. This is so good and it smells so good. This is the Bio Mint. This A little bit goes a long way, and this is like melt your tangles. If you have dry hair, this is what you want to get, and it's called the Baomint Deep Conditioning Treatment, and it has baobab, wintergreen, spearmint, peppermint oils. So it's for dry texture hair, perfect for our kind of hair, you know what I'm saying? So that is another recommendation. I did a Sephora fail and a holy grail. Y'all remember that video? Well, this money mask, money, this was so good, and this is another one. Y'all know I keep saying that I need to rank my deep conditioners. I promise I'm coming with that video, if not in like real soon. It's definitely going to be something that I have a series for in 2022. But y'all, this is so good. This is for straight hair, this is for curly hair, this is a super glossy intensive looking hair. Like, this is like, you want your hair to look expensive, if you want like that gloss sleek look, this is the type of deep conditioner that you're going to use. This was pricey, but it is worth it. So I highly recommend this. I do have a review on this one as well. Just check my playlist that talks about all things hair. That's where you're going to see it, or in the reviews playlist. So yes, loved that one. In that same video, I talked about an unexpected favorite, and I did not realize that they are being sold. I think I do, but maybe I forgot. Y'all, the Dry Bar Prep Rally. I am getting more into Dry Bar. I might try some Dry Bar products for my straight hair, because their blowout stuff is amazing. And you know, the best type of sleek hair starts at it starts in the sink, right, with your shampoo and conditioner. But if you don't have a bomb blowout, you can forget about sleek hair. So this actually detangles, it moisturizes, it hydrates, and it's a heat protectant. I love this. I have a backup of this, and usually these type of products I don't have a backup, but this was bomb. And I just FabFitFun, I'm really glad that I got introduced to this, because more than likely I probably would have never tried this product. So I am happy. The next one, y'all know I've talked about this before. This has been in my favorites videos. Briogeo is a brand that I stand behind. Products that I have tried from them work, and I know Nancy just knows, she in the kitchen, she just knows what works on hair. And I love that her products are silicone free. They're suitable for all hair types, which is insane to me, because usually something has to be specialized in order for it to really work. But this works on my straight hair, this works on my units, and that's why I'm bringing it to you today, because I talked about it on my sleek hair or blow drying. But this is the reparative leave-in conditioning spray. It has no silicones, no sulfates, no parabens, and this is so good. It smells so good. It makes your hair smell clean, and it's lasting. Like, it just has a nice fresh scent. But y'all, this is so good on my units. I like the wet look sometimes in the summertime, and I would use this, but it conditions it really well. When you have units, you want to make sure that you're washing them and you're taking care of the hair. So because of that, this is the reason why I'm talking about this one again. But hands down, something that I have been using for a while, and it feels like I'm over halfway done, so I might have to pick this up soon from the store. Okay, got a lot of hair products, but that's what it is. It is what it is. I said what I said. I'm loving that. Speaking of Briogeo, let's just stick with Briogeo, right? Remember this? I talked about it smells like Skittles. That's the thing I remember about this. But this is such a good hair conditioner. I would say if you want a hair conditioner from Briogeo, if you like the brand, I highly recommend the Be Gentle, Be Kind Mask Super Hydrant Mask. Okay, it's the kiwi and avocado mega moisture superfood mask. That's what I wanted to say. And it looks like this, and y'all, it smells so good. Like, it smells good enough to eat. And mine is halfway gone, and y'all, I have a lot of hair masks to get through, but this one is one that it's like you want to savor the moment You know what I mean? You want to savor using that one. I highly recommend. Y'all see my love for deep conditioners. I've already talked about 2 leave-ins, a shampoo, and 3 deep conditioners. That's my love for deep conditioners, and you know it's not gonna stop because we're gonna talk about bread. Okay, this is so good. I love that you can get every last drop of this, but when I tell you this is super hydrating and your hair's gonna smell like bread, it smells so good. This is the creamy deep conditioner hair mask. Now this is for curly hair types. Okay, this is specifically for my curly hair. So when I want to get a sleek or a straight hair look, right? I still don't want silicones or anything in my hair. I would go in with something like this, or even maybe the money mask, which that has silicones, and I don't use that one often. It depends on what I'm using it for, but this one right here is specifically for my curly hair. The Ottawa is as well, but this one is super thick. It's a hair mask. I think it's a difference between a hair mask and a deep conditioner. Okay, hair mask is going to be thicker, it's going to contain more oils, but this is so good, and I've talked about it before. FabFitFun always talked about this, and I would recommend this one for if you have fine thin hair. This one's going to be a good one for you because it's going to moisturize your hair, it's going to melt the tangles, and it's a mask that's velvety that when you rinse it out, it's lightweight. You know how sometimes the residue of a deep conditioner can make your hair feel kind of like, ugh. This is not going to do it. I really enjoy this, and I really it's so good, and it's made out of cacao, plum, and starflower oil. Like, this is something really good. I want to try their oil though. I'm giving y'all my wish list, even though I said that might be a different video. Hey, we're talking about wish lists while we're in here. Right? Okay, and definitely, y'all, let's pause for a second. Y'all better tell me what y'all getting. I want to know what you guys are getting from the sale, because, you know, sometimes, you know, when your girlfriends recommend something, you're like, oh, yes. Yeah, let me know what y'all getting and what's good out there. What's good, sis? Okay, let me know. Another one, y'all know I could not leave Olaplex out of this. I have the Olaplex number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask, and this one is really good. This one like makes my hair feel super soft and plush. Like, this is like I feel like that the money mask and this one is kind of similar, where it makes my hair like I feel expensive, probably because it is expensive, but it's just, it does something to my hair, you know. Missy Pelo was like, oh, you make me feel this, I think I do it, you know. So yeah, I know, like, certain ones make the Missy Pelo voice come out, but this one is one. Olaplex, I cannot wait to try more of their products, but this one is so good. I really like it. I love the pump. I love how minimalistic even the packaging is. This is such a good deep conditioner, and you don't need a lot of this. You don't need a lot of it on your hair. If you have fine thin hair, use less, and less is more with this product. So I really enjoy it. One that I have not talked about in a while, but is balm. I don't even know if I really talked about it. Maybe in a vlogmas that I talked about it, but y'all, this, oh my, let me stop. Fable and Maine, I know, look, it's good. It's good. It's a hair mask. It's a rich repair for stressed hair. It's intense, but this is so good. So good. I gotta rank my deep conditioners because I keep saying all of these are so good, but this one I recommend for fine thin hair too, because it's thin. This one is going to have a little bit more movement. The other ones, this is a hair mask that is going to have a lot more movement, but let me tell you something, this I feel is rich in oils. If you have super dry hair, this is going to work for it. This is going to work for it, like, and it's going to give you some amazing slip. This one you just keep in your hair, let's see, you let it sit in your hair for 5 minutes. I knew that this was like one of those flash masks. This one, you know how sometimes you cannot take all day to do your hair. You know, we're in that category now where, like, I cannot use a full day to do a wash day. I know we call it wash day, but now it's becoming like wash hours, moments, right? This is one that's going to give you the punch. It's going to hit it and quit it. You know what I mean? This one is so good. And it's the sacred coconut. That's what it says on the back. But this one is a hit it and quit it. Like, this one is the truth. If you have dry hair and you like your hair, you need your hair to bounce back real quick, or you've done some damage to your hair, or like your edges or something happened, this is like, something happened to my hair, I need a repair, that I need to like give by each of my deep conditioners a voice. That is hilarious. Okay, that's what Fable and Mane will do for you. I'm just saying. So we're gonna switch it up. I have not talked about this. This is probably my most expensive hair curl styler ever that I've had on my channel. This is from Oribe, y'all. You better look expensive, because you are. Okay, Oribe, this is Curl by Definition, one-stop shop. Hello. It has a lot of oils, y'all, and I usually don't like products that have like glycerin in it. This says work through damp, natural curly hair, diffuse, air dry, and set into pin curls, whatever makes you curliest. Girl, this is like, do you boo, hit it, quit it, like, get me. This is gonna give you good, really good first day hair and second day hair. Like, you're gonna get some volume. This is just like a one-stop shop. Now, y'all know I love their oil. Their oil is like, okay, I'm gonna give you an idea of how much this costs. Okay, the oil that goes with this is like I think like $88. Okay. Yeah, this is like okay, but it's like, oh, you know, oh, it doesn't have to cost this much. But girl, this gonna give you, like, listen, if my hair needs to be done in a day, and it's like, hey, I got somewhere to go, and I can't have my hair, I can't look like a ragamuffin, and I need my hair to like be put together, and after I blow dry it, I still need to have that curl hitting it. You know, you gotta have that curl popping. This is my curl popping in a day. It's gonna give me popcorn. Okay, it's gonna pop, and then it's gonna be done. You're not getting 3-day hair out of this unless you do a twist out. I have not done a twist out, but a wash and go, yes, girl. I had to recommend it. I know it's an expensive product, but when you need something done, sometimes it's like, when it comes to your hair, your teeth, your skin, you need those things to be put together, okay? And that's gonna give it to you. Oribe just knows what it's doing. I'm just saying. So does Solidonero, okay? This hair repair treatment. Now, let me tell you something. The good thing about it, this is the plus, is that it's being rinsed out of your hair because it contains alcohol. And isopropyl alcohol, you do not want to keep in your hair. This is something you definitely need to rinse out immediately. So it is really, really good for conditioning the hair, and it smells really good. It smells like the, what is that? It smells like the, it smells like the body cream, and it's really, really good. I recommend this. I think that this I would use for my straight hair. For curly hair, it was like, but my straight hair, it was good. If you're going to blow out your hair, you want this. If you have like really thick hair, this is a product that I would recommend. And yeah, those are the hair care products that I would recommend from Sephora for the sale. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This one is strictly hair. Let me know if you want to see skin, makeup. I'm probably going to come with that in a separate video, and fragrance, because this one I had a lot to talk about in terms of hair. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.